Prepare to have your mind blown. The loudest gravitational wave ever detected has just rocked the world of physics, and it's thrown a massive spotlight on one of Stephen Hawking's most famous predictions. But what does it actually mean when scientists say they've heard a cosmic fire alarm? And how does this tie into the mysterious saga of black holes? Let's unpack it step by step. And believe me, this is far more significant than most people realize. In celebration of a decade since gravitational waves were first discovered, the LIGO-Virgo-KAGRA team has revealed their clearest and most powerful signal yet, a discovery that directly confirms Hawking's bold area theorem about black holes. If you thought breakthroughs in physics had slowed, think again. This new data isn't just routine news. It's a game changer that could reshape how we understand our universe. Here's the backstory. The event, now known as GW25114, was observed on January 14, 2025. Why the cryptic name? Scientists label these cosmic events based on the date they're detected. GW25114 means gravitational wave detected on 2025-01-14. While it shares striking similarities to the first ever recorded gravitational wave, GW15014, there's a crucial difference. Improvements made over the last 10 years mean this time the signal is astoundingly clear, like comparing a distant murmur to a blaring fire alarm, an analogy offered by researcher Simona Miller. She explains that while previous events stood out like a hearty laugh at a noisy party, GW25114 is so powerful. It completely drowns out the background chatter. So why does this clarity matter? Because with such a precise reading, scientists could accurately measure the surface areas of the black holes before and after their cataclysmic merger. To paint a picture, before crashing together, the two black holes had a combined surface area roughly that of the entire state of Oregon. About 240,000 square kilometers, 93,000 square miles. After the collision, the resulting black hole's area expanded to match the size of California, clocking in at around 400,000 square kilometers, 154,000 square miles. But here's the part most people overlook. These measurements go far beyond interesting factoids. Thanks to the loudness of the signal, the scientific term is an exceptionally high signal-to-noise ratio of 80. Compared to the previous record of 26, researchers could calculate not just mass, but intricate details like spin, both before and after the collision. Because the area of a black hole is mathematically tied to its mass and spin, it let them test Hawking's area theorem with unprecedented confidence. What does Hawking's theorem say? In simple terms, a black hole's surface area can never decrease after an event like a merger, much like how entropy or disorder in the universe always grows. There's a twist, however. Hawking speculated that black holes could slowly shrink by radiating energy, a possibility that still sparks vigorous debate among physicists. Professor Vicky Calagera puts it bluntly, the accuracy of these measurements is unlike anything seen before in science and engineering. She calls it an unimaginable breakthrough. Think about it. Scientists measured a change smaller than the width of an atom, all while massive objects slam together billions of light years away. Does that sound like science fiction to you, or a testament to human ingenuity? And this is the part where controversy simmers. Are we really seeing the limits of physics being pushed? Or could future observations reveal cracks in these ironclad theories? A companion paper goes even further, using data from this blazing fire alarm event to rigorously test Einstein's general relativity. Could gravitational wave astronomy soon topple what we believe about spacetime and black holes? The findings appeared in the highly respected journal Physical Review Letters and have already ignited passionate discussion within the scientific community. Now it's your turn. Do you think these results seal the case for Hawking's and Einstein's theories once and for all, or do you suspect there's still more to uncover? Are black holes as simple as the math suggests, or is the universe hiding something we've yet to imagine? Share your opinion below. Do you agree with the headline, or are you holding out for something even more revolutionary?